Homework, book reports, science projects, and tests. So many tests. A Washington Post study found high schoolers spend almost 3 hours a night studying. Experts say the right environment is key.
Students need to learn in a state that is optimal for learning.
Be sure to study in a space without distractions. The more multitasking students do, the slower their brains process information. Next, find ways to motivate them.
It's not just consumable things, money or this or that. Sometimes it's just, once again, attention from a loved one.
Encourage them to take practice tests. One study found students who had brief retrieval practice tests before a high-stakes test remembered 60% of the material, while those who only studied remembered 40%. A Texas A&M study found repeating information out loud moves content from short-term to long-term memory. Also, avoid all-nighters. Cognitive performance is controlled by our body clocks, meaning our learning and memory is higher in the morning, not at night. Instead, get a good night's sleep and study in the morning. And don't forget to celebrate the wins.
The more wins that we can build into young people studying, the more likely they are to show up for studying, right? And a win can simply be, either words of affirmation or even just acknowledgement.
With ways to help your student ace this school year, I'm Alexa Lorenzo reporting.